Give thanks to the good Lord above, for his kindness, his wisdom,